Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing shawarma spiced roast chicken. It's really easy to do and we can make a beautiful platter like that. First thing you need is all of this stuff. Ingredients will be at the end of the video if you want some detail. Alright, first thing I've got is a bit of a strainer, I've got a bit of a kitchen towelette, and I'm going to put in around about 500 grams worth of a Greek style yogurt. Right, we're just going to put that straight down on top of the that cloth. If you don't have one of these, you just use a bit of muslin. I'm going to strain this yogurt off for around about 4 to 5 hours. Right, I'm just going to get rid of all the whey. Alright, we've got 2 tablespoons worth of olive oil going into a bowl. Alright, like that, and I'm going to start adding in around about 1.5 teaspoons worth of butter mix, 1/2 teaspoons worth of allspice, 1 teaspoon's worth of garlic, 1 teaspoon's worth of onion powder, 2 teaspoons worth of salt, and all the ingredients will be at the end of the video if you need to have a full recap. Right, I'll put them down in quantities. We're going to give all of that a good stir just like that. I'm going to add in the juice of about 1 to 2 small lemons that can go in just like that. And these lemons are actually quite firm, believe it or not. Right, our lemon juice, olive oil, and all of our spices there all together. We're going to give that a mixy mix once again, just like that. I've already got my oven sitting at 180 degrees. Here I've got our chicken. It's around about a 2 kilo. I'm going to cut the backbone out of it. Right, just using a pair of poultry shears, and this just makes things a little bit easier. Alright, our backbone is removed, so we have a spineless chicken. I'm going to turn him over like that and give him a bit of heart resuscitation. Just press him nice and flat and just crack those ribs, and it'll make this beautiful flat chicken. Put him on a roasting tray just like that. Alright, breast side up, and all we have to do now is get our beautiful marinade that we have, and marinade for a better word, and start rubbing that all over the chicken, over all surfaces as possible. Alright, and if you haven't had a chicken shawarma before, or tried playing with these spices, it is definitely worth it. He is going into the oven until we end up with an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. Rule of thumb, around about an hour per kilo. When you flatten them out like that, it will take a little bit less. Alright, our yogurt has strained off all of its whey. That's what we're doing right in the beginning of the video. We're going to add in some dill and some mint, and we're just going to make up a really body style sauce just to go with our chicken. Right, the yogurt and the breads, everything else, they just work together at the end. Our chicken has cooked off. That took less than an hour, being butterflied like that. As you can see, we've got those beautiful colors on there, and I'm going to cover that and let that sit for around about 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes or so, just to let it rest and everything relax. Okay, and once that is done, we can start slicing this up. I'm actually going to slice this into nice thin slices just like this, and I'm going to make up a little kebab type board. I'm going to serve it up with some flatbreads and our salad and everything else, and you can just pick and mix as you go along. Alright, so nicely thin slices of our chicken, just like that. Oh god, how nice does that look? And it is really nice and juicy on the inside. Any chicken left over, great for sandwiches, great for making other wraps or whatever. You can even put that into an omelette if you want to. The flavour of this thing is just insane. Alright, we've got some of our little naan breads, some little flat breads. They're all heated up, they're going down on the plate. I'm going to add in some red onion finely sliced, a little bit of lettuce, of course, right, just like that. A little bit of that fresh tomato finely sliced, and of course our yogurt dip that we have just made up. And there you go, you've got KP's shawarma spiced chicken plate, for a better word. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be at the end of the video. Thank you so much. If you want to see more little videos like this one where you need to come and join the family, my family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my shawarma spiced chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.